What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a new video. Y'all already know how this thing's finna go. We got the SCR over here and you ready to go. I got y'all on my tripod today because I didn't feel like holding the camera because I just can't hold the camera. I can never hold the camera and get stuff done at the same time, and I'm not using my GoPro because I need to use this camera more often. So yeah, that's where we at with it. Bring y'all over here. I got little Poopy over here. Hey!
He loves to say hi already.
And then I got her over here too. They're both watching me do what they do. So in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is, let me put y'all up some more, hold on. So what we're gonna be doing in today's video is, I am going to be fixing my exhaust leak. I think my headers are leaking in my exhaust. I think this front bank header is leaking. And then also, as you guys can see, we are running a dual catch can setup now. I got my second catch can right here that I put in last night, and then we have our initial catch can that's been in the car over here. So I'm gonna be running my two lines to the back of the intake. I'll probably do that first because I just got done driving the car. The headers are gonna be dumb hot. So first things first, let's get the catch can routed. The catch can routing is super easy. So the catch can routing, I just got two lines left. These two lines right here gotta be ran to the back. One goes to the back of the intake, and then one goes to the valve cover. And that should be that for that part of things. Super simple, super easy. Not really gonna talk too much about it. The headers are super easy. Headers right here in the front. I just think it's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts in the header. Pull it off. I just need to pull it back forward enough to where I can put the head on, put the gaskets on. I got 2 new gaskets. But I'm gonna do that last, like I said, let that cool down some more, because I have to do that as well as I have to go under the bottom and take the header off from the Y pipe. So we're gonna let that cool down. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get this catch can set up ready. Boom to boom, run my 2 lines. Ah, I forgot to get zip ties. Alright, so as y'all can see, well, you probably can't see. This tripod makes it a little difficult. Oh, I can do this. So as y'all can see, we got our catch can down over here. Boom, boom. Just gotta come back off. I want to clean this all up, and I gotta take this off, and I got a Teflon tape in here too. But I just want to get all the routing done. One hose goes down into the valve cover, one goes to the back side of the intake. Can't really see that much back there, but you get the gist. So now, why this shit not focusing? That was weird. Camera just stopped focusing. But you got one clamp in the back there, one clamp coming up, and the other 2 right here. Now I gotta put my clamp on this one that runs to the front part. That'd be super simple. So let's do that real quick. Let's check my header, see if they're still hot. Woo! Damn! Just chill, cuz. What you laughing at? Huh? Big boy just looking. He just chilling. My daughter said forget it. I'm done with baby duties. Alright, that was super simple and done. Now I'm going to try and see what I can get down with the headers. Headers actually aren't hot. It's the radiator that's hot as hell. Ow. Alright, so for the next part, this part is super straightforward too. What we're gonna do, first things first, we'll take off our O2 sensor plug, and then I am going to get a 14. Pushing on the 14mm bolts. Put you guys on the side somewhere where y'all can see. So y'all can sit right there in front of me. All right, got the header out. Funny thing about it, I don't see any cracks or anything on here, which is good. No cracks, nothing for it to leak from. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. No cracks, no bends, none of that stuff. So it's got to be the gasket. I see the gasket has some rust right here, maybe. So maybe it was leaking from around this one. A little bit of rust around this one. I don't know. I'm gonna clean it up and then put it back, but I'm losing daylight, so I'm not gonna hit you guys back up until I'm done. Back header's leaking this time. So annoying. It is what it is. Already ordered the gaskets though. Those are, the back gaskets should be here in the next 2 days, hopefully. We'll throw them on too. With that being said, I appreciate y'all all for watching. If y'all got any questions, anything y'all want to say, y'all already know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's keep up with this build. I'll see y'all on the next one.